Hey everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to tell you how I made $10,000 on YouTube. And no, this is not a scam. This is not clickbait. I'm really going to show you exactly how I made $10,000 on YouTube. And here's the kicker. I did it all by accident. So I used to watch videos like this on YouTube about how people made money online. But honestly, a lot of times they rubbed me the wrong way. They seemed like they were scams. Then one day on YouTube, I found a guy named Graham Stephan. Now today he has over 1 million followers, but at the time that I found him, he had a little over 10,000. What struck me about him is that he wasn't a scammer. He actually showed exactly how he made money online. He was very honest and transparent, and I took a lot from that. So with guys like Graham, Ryan Scribner, Nate O'Brien, and several others, I found myself becoming really into the whole idea of making money online. It really appealed to me because I can make money at my job, and I can make money also just by putting up videos and honestly having fun doing it. Up until that point, I thought it was a scam to make money online and do all these sort of things. But honestly, the more I dug into it and the more videos I watched from some of those guys, the more it became obvious that it actually was something that I could accomplish. So here's the long and short of it. I decided to make a YouTube channel one day after thinking about doing so for years and years and years and always putting it off. I didn't know what mic to use, what camera to use, how to edit properly, or how to optimize the search engine to get the highest results. And honestly, I still don't. But the point is, I got started. So the very first video I actually made was about how to study for and pass the bar exam. So I'm an attorney by training, and in July 2017, I passed the California bar exam, which is a notoriously difficult test. When I was studying for that exam, I actually looked on YouTube to see other people's experiences, and I thought it would be helpful if I made a video about how to pass a bar exam. So with that, I just got started. I put a few ideas on paper, I filmed the video, and I put it online. I didn't think anyone would watch it, but to my surprise, a couple people did, and that was incredibly motivating. So after having some success of making a bar exam video and watching people like the video and subscribe to my channel, which you should do right now if you haven't already, it really got me motivated to continue on and make different videos. But this time I was going to do videos that I actually found enjoyable. Truth be told, the bar exam is actually even more boring than it sounds like. What my real passion is personal finance. And so with that, I made my top 5 credit cards video. I just put it out there of exactly what I thought to be were the best 5 credit cards that people can get. For those who know me, they know that I'm a secret credit card nerd. I really like that stuff a lot, and I find it incredible that you can get a ton of travel and cash back just for using the right credit card, and I wanted to spread that enjoyment around to others. I'd already explained to many of my friends and family members about the best credit cards to get, so I just put it in a video and put it online. And with that video, it actually got thousands of views, which was mind-blowing to me. I had no idea that it would eventually get a couple thousand views. Now, relative to other channels online, of course, that is a very small number, but to me, starting out, I didn't think anyone would see these videos, and when I put it online and it got a couple thousand views, I was absolutely blown away. So you may be thinking, okay, that's great, you got a few thousand views, but how'd you make $10,000? Well, I'm about to tell you exactly how. After I made the credit card video, I made a video on the best checking accounts to get. Back in the day, I had Chase Bank, and they charged me money for a checking account, and that bothered me so much that I made it a mission to get a checking account that paid me interest and didn't have any account fees at all. In doing so, I came up with a few different checking accounts I thought were pretty interesting, and I made a video and I put it online. One of those checking accounts happened to be a checking account that I still use today called SoFi Money. What I loved about SoFi Money, and the reason why I put it in the video, was because I really liked the account. I had never heard of it before. It wasn't until I started doing research on the checking accounts video that I discovered SoFi Money. What was so great about SoFi Money is that it was free to use. You could withdraw money from ATMs for free, and it had a great interest rate. Those 3 reasons were the reasons that I got SoFi Money myself, and then I recommended it to others. At the time I recommended SoFi Money, they didn't have a referral program that I was aware of, so I didn't even think about putting anything in the description of my video. I simply recommended SoFi Money because it was a product I really liked and a product I actually used. And so it wasn't until later when I did a more in-depth review on SoFi Money that I discovered that they had a referral program. When I made the SoFi Money review video, I took the referral link and I put it in the description, not really thinking that anyone would click it, and I put it there and I thought, okay, well, if somebody wants to get value out of it, that's cool. If not, I don't expect anyone to go through and click it. I saw many other YouTubers put in their descriptions referral links to different products like M1 Finance and Acorns, and I thought, you know, if they put it in their description, it's probably a good thing to follow along. I'm still learning this YouTube thing, so I might as well throw it in the description and see what happens. I honestly didn't think anyone would actually click that referral link, but to my absolute shock, later in the week when I opened my SoFi Money account, I saw a $50 referral bonus in my account. This absolutely blew my mind. I could not believe that somebody clicked my link and actually went and got SoFi Money based on my recommendation, and we both got a bonus for doing so. I was absolutely blown away. I thought, wow, Out of all these people, somebody actually clicked the link. That is a huge success. That is super cool. But then something interesting happened. A few more people clicked the link and a few more bonuses came in my account. And pretty soon, week after week after week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people started clicking the link and actually getting SoFi Money. People really liked the account and the word spread. Before I knew it, I would check my account and it seemed like almost every single day I was getting a new referral bonus. I could not believe it. And then when I saw people really like SoFi Money, I decided to put my referral link in a few of my other videos going forward. Once I did that, I actually saw a massive increase in the amount of people that actually clicked through the referral link, and I was absolutely stunned. I was blown away. There would be some weeks when I would make literally more than $1,000 on referral bonuses alone. I could not believe it. And for those who don't believe me and think that maybe this is a scam, this is unusual, yes, you only have 1,000 subscribers and yet you made $10,000, it seems ridiculous, I would feel the exact same way. So let me show you my actual account right here. I'll put it on the screen as well and I'll show you exactly the referral bonuses that I got. If you click here, the referral bonuses will show you that up until today, I've gotten $9,500 of referral bonuses on 160 successful referrals. Again, I didn't expect anyone to actually click this link, and the fact that I got that many people to go through and get a product that I really liked and recommended in their hands really made me extremely happy, not only for myself, but for them as well. Now, with all that being said, I only recommend products that I actually use and actually value, and SoFi Money is absolutely one of them. I'll give you an example of a product that I could have recommended, but chose not to. In doing my review videos on my channel, I came across Chime Bank. Chime Bank initially seemed like a pretty interesting company, but I didn't recommend it because it had a very paltry 0.01% interest rate. When compared to SoFi Money or even other online banks online, where you can get 1.5%, 2%, or even more, this seemed like highway robbery to me, and I wasn't going to recommend Chime Bank because there are better products out there. Now, Chime Bank had a referral program almost identical to SoFi Money. They got $50 per referral bonus. Despite this, I chose not to recommend Chime Bank because I frankly didn't think it was a very good product. SoFi Money struck me as a much better product to refer. One of the interesting things about the SoFi Money referral program was the fact that if somebody clicked through, they only needed to fund their account with $100, and then they got a $50 bonus, and I got a $50 bonus. What ended up happening is SoFi Money actually increased their referral bonus to $100, and sometimes a little bit more than that, which you can see on my account there. So you can imagine my surprise when 5 people signed up for SoFi Money and I got $500 one day. That absolutely floored me. Now, together with SoFi Money, I also made a few referral bonuses on some cards like Discover It and Chase Freedom Unlimited. Both cards I have and use regularly, and I got a $50 to $100 referral bonus on each one of those referrals. So for all those who actually clicked through to my link, let me just say, thank you so much for doing so. Honestly, it means a ton to me, not only because obviously we both benefited for getting the account, but because it showed me the power of the internet and the power of connecting with people. On a personal level, my wife is pregnant right now and we're expecting our firstborn son in the next few months. So this account actually served to buy a lot of baby stuff, and we use it as a baby funding account. We've actually only used the SoFi Money referral bonuses to fund things for our baby, such as diapers, clothing, furniture, those sorts of things. So honestly, it is a really awesome extra piece of income to come in and help ease the burden of bringing a new kid into the world. I couldn't feel more blessed to have a pregnant wife, and I'm incredibly fortunate that I was able to start something online to make myself some money in order to help with the cost of bringing a kid into the world. So what are the big lessons from this? Why am I even putting this online? Well, frankly, I'm doing it because I used to love watching these videos and I wanted to be open and honest, just as I talked about in the beginning. This entire process has shown me the power of the internet and the power of leveraging your time. It's incredible what you can do if you just put your time and effort towards it. There are plenty of scammers online, and honestly, a lot of those make money online schemes are not real and they're there just to extract money out of you. But trust me when I tell you that making money online is not impossible. In fact, it's a lot easier than you think. All you need to do is start. So for those who are thinking of starting a website or a product or a YouTube channel, but are waiting until they get everything lined up perfectly, let me tell you, you need to just start. You need to begin and take that first step. Things don't need to be perfect in order for you to put them forward. You're going to get feedback from people. It's going to motivate you, and you're going to be able to orientate your product, your video, your website in the best way to get the most value. Just start it and you will see success. Just take it from me. If you're looking to start something, just do it. So thanks so much for watching the channel. I really appreciate it. I'm always going to try to be open and honest because those are the kind of channels that I like to watch, and that's the kind of material that I want to put out there. So if this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments below any thoughts that you have. I really want to talk with some of you guys and hear what you have to say. So with that, I'll see you next time. Thanks.